morning, everyone. Can everyone stand and leave a prayer?
On earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us into temptation.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Amelia.
So before you name your seats, let's dance first. I will show you a video for you to follow. Okay, thank you, everyone. So before we start our discussion, let's talk about classroom rules. First, listen to your teacher. So while this class is called Isang Baman, refrain from talking to your seatmates or to your amigas around you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And second, raise your hands. If you are confused, if you have something to ask, or don't answer me in chorus, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And third, be kind. Dili makaway ah.
Yes, ma'am.
And be respectful. And lastly, be prepared. Always say pangatlo before busog sa klase. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So now, before we proceed, can everyone read the objectives? So now, can everyone get one more sheet of papers? I have something for you to answer for your pre-test. Here's the questions. So now, can everyone give one more sheet of paper? Okay. So first, let's review about force and motion through gaze. Okay, quiet. If the situation shows force, you stand up. If the situation shows motion, you remain seated. If anyone makes mistake, you lose the round. The first situation, turning a doorknob. Very good. The second situation is a kite flying. watch carefully and pay attention kung saan forces na ipakita sa video and how motion changes.
Hey kids! In today's video, we'll be learning about force and motion. Are you ready? Let's begin. What is force?
So now, I'll have some questions on the video. The first question is, what kind of forces see in the video? Okay, Lola?
For me, ang nakita sa video kay pag-use sa force is pag-pull sa doorknob and mag-push sa door.
Okay, very good. Okay, the next question is, how did the forces affect the motion of the objects or people shown? Okay, very good.
Anak namin, Marsan, kasi people man, bulan namin yung para sa sa people. Ibigay din sa kanila. So, alam bulan na kayo mo, kung siya mo, ibigay mo na ma-attend siya sa motion.
So the third question is, can you describe an example from the video when force caused something to change speed or direction?
Ang ako nakita kaya, how siya sa mga push and pull sa kamisa, which is, na-move siya from the other side. Very good.
So the last question is, have you experienced any of these force and motion examples in your own life? Okay.
Yes, please. I experienced motion in my life, like pulling and pushing the door and
So now class, group come into groups with tag numbers 8. So from recruiting, number 4 to group 5 more. And then what's your name again? Okay, Kalawatan to rules and responsibility of group 2. So I will assign some leaders each group. So the leader in group 1 will be Panamsha. And then the leader in group 2 will be Manala. So each group, you will have assistant leader. Couple of things in one assistant leader. Now the writer, number timer, and then now you can go to your groups now. Why you please? So now class, natagal pa po ang picture. And then, inyong i-demonstrate na nagpakita sa force of motion.